So this is chapter 1.4, page 28, and I'm doing number 23, number 25, and 27. Let's start with number 23. Find the indicated angle measure. Well, make sure you understand. When there's an M right here, that means that it wants the length of whatever that is. So ADC, I'm looking at angle. This is A, the middle is D, and then here's C. So I'm just gonna make connect the angle ADC. Well, this angle is really 21 plus 44. So to show your work, make sure you show your work. 21 plus 44, and that's equal to 65 degrees. Number 25. Use the given information. So now, we're given information and we just need to basically solve for whatever they're looking for. Um, Now, I know that given that WXZ equals to 80. So that means this is W, this is X, this is Z. So this whole angle right here is 80 degrees. Find YXZ. Well, this is Y right here. So I'm going to do it in a different color. This is Y, X, and Z. So I'm trying to solve for this blue angle right here. So that's what I'm trying to solve for, that angle. Now, well, to solve for that, all I need to do is figure out what X is and then plug it in. So how do I solve for that? You just set up an equation here. I know that, so this angle right here, let's say this is angle number 1 and angle number 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 80 degree. So let's just start with angle 1. Angle 1 is what? X plus 5. And then I'm going to add it with angle 2, which is 3x minus 5. So let's do 3x minus 5 equals to, well, because I know that angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 80 degrees. 80. Now I'm just going to solve for x. So let's see, I'm going to combine like terms. X here and x here, that'd be 4x. The 5 here, this is a positive 5. Next I have a positive 5 and a negative 5, so that cancels out, so that'd be 0. And then equals to 80 is left. Equals to 80. Solve for x, divide by 4, divide by 4. So what you do is you just do 80 divided by 4, and you'll get 20. So here, just because I found x, I am not done here. What you want to do is you always, because they're asking for yxz, yxz. So they're not asking for x. If they're asking for x, you're done. But they're asking for what that angle is. So you know x is 20. Well, take that 20, plug it back into angle 2. So let me write down angle 2. Angle 2 right here, I know that it's angle um, or angle 2 or angle y x z. I know it's equal to 3x minus 5. So wherever I see x, I plug in 20. So here I have 3, and then x is 20, so I'm going to plug in 20, and then I'm going to subtract 5. So this will be 60 minus 5 is 55. So that means that this angle right here, this green angle right here, is 55 degrees. Now, let's move on to the next one, which is number 27. All right, number 27. In the diagram, so I'm going to put number 27 right here in red. And then make a border here so I don't go through it. In the diagram, the measure of XYZ is 140. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. So this angle right here is 140. What is the value of X? So here they're asking for X. They're not asking to find whatever the angle is. So let's just solve it. I know that angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 140. So let's say 2x plus 6 plus angle 2, which is 80, equals to 140. Now solve for x. I'm gonna so I have 2x plus 86 equals to 140. Now I'm gonna subtract 86 to both sides. 86 minus 86. Now let's see, that'd be 54. So I'm gonna write 2x is equal to 54, then divide by 2 is 27. X is equal to 27. So I mean, look for 27, the answer is A.